Welcome back to my channel. I traveled from Kalka to Shimla in the most loved Himachal queen, the toy train. And I'm telling you, this is a must. The journey was amazing. I really suggest you that if you're planning a trip to Shimla, please sit in the toy train at least once and enjoy the sceneries. We reached Shimla and we headed towards the hotel. After that, we went to the Ridge Road, which is a large open space located in the center of Shimla. What I liked about this place is that people have maintained it very well. The surrounding is very clean. There is strictly a fine for littering garbage anywhere. Since I was at a height, I had a good view of the village down there. The Ridge Road leads to Lakkar Bazaar. Here you will get wooden crafts, Himachal hats and much more. This is the mall road where you will get shawls, shoes, woolen clothes, and lots of shopping stuffs. You can do a lot of shopping here for your friends, relatives, and family members. Here in Shimla, you even get a chance to wear some Himachal outfits and get your photo clicked for a prize. After roaming around, we then went to have the most famous gulab jamun of Shimla. It was the tastiest gulab jamun I've ever had. This is Krishna Bakery, which is very old. This place is always crowded and the eatables here get over very fast. The quality is very good and the taste is fabulous. We tried momos, pastry, and bun. You have to take care and make sure that the windows are properly shut because monkeys enter your hotel room in search of food. After they find it, this is what happens. But even when they came, I enjoyed seeing them eating the cake which I had purchased from the bakery. Next day, we went to Kufri, which is 21 kilometers by road from Shimla. There is a direct cab from Shimla to Kufri. Minimum time taken by the cab to reach Kufri is 48 minutes. After reaching Kufri, you have to take a horse ride to reach the top. There is another way to go up there, which is by walking, but it is really not advisable. This is how Kufri looks like. I walked down and on my way I saw a number of yaks and rabbits. The owners let you click photos with their pets for a reasonable price. Moving on, we saw many stalls of wooden crafts, keychains, woolen clothes, and fancy items. There were even food stalls where you get paratha, chana chaat, tea, coffee, Maggie, momos, and much more. After having food, we headed towards the apple garden. On our way, we were filled with excitement to have a telescopic view from the top. I really recommend whosoever comes to Kufri should go for this telescopic view. We also visited the apple garden but missed to click some snaps. There were many activities, but I chose to do zip lining. It was awesome. Just enjoyed in Kufri and took a horse ride way down. There were many more places in Shimla, but I could cover only the Lakkar Bazaar, Mall Road, Christchurch, Ridge, and Kufri. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel.